Today's a new day, boys, and today the 6.0 is leaving my shop and it's going somewhere new. So we're gonna do that right now. We're gonna pick up a trailer, we're gonna take it out of Detroit and bring it back home. And we're gonna get shit done to it because down there I can't get nothing done. So down there I can't get anything done. It's just too. We'll talk about it. It's just too unorganized for me, so I can't do it. So we're gonna run it. Just driving by. We're at the rental place. So boys, we got the trailer set up. Nothing sweet. 6.0's ready to go. The only problem I have is still the wide trailer I can find. Still don't think it's wide enough for trailers. So I think I have to ride over this. I think they're built. It seems like it's built too. I'm not worried about breaking this. So we're gonna see. All right, we're doing some sketchy shit right now because I don't know, we're stupid. It ships. Dude, this thing looks sick in here. Let's go. So right now I'm trying to tow. Gotta let her rip. Gotta let her eat a little bit, you know? Yeah. So basically, we went down to Detroit, got the truck, and now we're coming back to his shop. Not too sketchy of a ride, but definitely, I don't know, what do you think? Like, definitely iffy a little bit.
It's different, that's all.
It's different, you know, it's the first time towing with the lift, and the 4-inch, I would be completely fine, wouldn't bother me. This thing's a little, you can feel the weight a little better. It's not, a little more, I should say. It's not
you don't even know what's back there, though.
But yeah, but the engine-wise, I guess you're right. Just when you hit a bump, you can feel it fucking moving a little bit, but...
Yeah.
And also, it's because I'm towing a truck and suspension traveling and it's moving around, so...
No different than hauling heavy equipment around, that's for sure.
So, we'll meet you guys back at the shop. Here's the plan, guys. We're gonna tow the truck off with the lawnmower because basically we're wedged in with the tires. So, I'll update me some work to do. I'll update what we're done. Hold on. Can't see me. Hold on. Alright, boys. That's the video for today. Tomorrow we'll bring the bag up tomorrow. So, long day today. I'll just plan day tomorrow. Peace out. Ladies and gentlemen, we're back. It's the next day. Yesterday, it's kind of cold today. Yesterday, I kind of had to break it off real quick just because it was dark out, and I kind of forgot to record a little bit, you know. So we're at the shop over here. We're gonna do some things today that's involving work on his red truck. So I don't know why the hell they work on his Red F250. Changing the transfer case fluid, transfer case itself, U-joints, and a couple other things. We get up to that real quick, and then we'll talk about the 6.0. So basically, instead of making a whole video, I'll show you guys real quick. He's just doing a transfer case swap because his is kind of just fucked up. He got one for like 70 bucks.
Yep.
So,
working on getting the old shit out.
yeah, you can see, this is the new one. 75 bucks, man. Looks pretty sweet. Sounds good. You know, smooth, whatever. U-joints for that thing. For the drive shaft coming. We're gonna pick those up. Anyways, that's what the video today is not about that. So we're gonna talk about the 6.0 real quick. So the 6.0. The 6.0. A lot of you guys are asking probably why I took the 6.0 down here out of my shop in Detroit and brought it over here. And the question, the answer for that is strictly, oh shit, back here, man. Fucking bullshit. The answer for that is strictly just because I don't go to my shop down there. Is one, it's just too dirty for me. If for me to work on something down there, it's just too freaking dirty. I can't handle it. Two, this is way closer to my house. Three, heated shop, nice and organized, not too much shit in here. No one's gonna touch my stuff, so it's all gonna work out pretty well. Yeah, so I'm excited, man. This is gonna go pretty well over here, I think. We're doing a lot of shit, getting this thing all mocked out and done, and basically, I think I came to the conclusion I am gonna start this thing. So, the build series is back, and it's gonna be back better than ever. Do it good, and we're gonna do it great. Okay, this truck's gonna be sick. I'm going with it. Gonna be a work truck, but we're gonna be sick. I might even. I'm not gonna talk too much out of my head, but man, I'm excited for this truck. I cannot wait for a 6.0, an R1, to replace that 6.7 over there. Ooh. Anyways, guys, if you're excited for the build, comments about what we should do to this truck and what parts, and just give me your input. I love when you guys the comments to me are like the best thing for ever. And that and likes. Likes are pretty cool too. But if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe. Click that notification bell. Stay notified with me. You know, help us grow. Let's get this channel going a little bit. I've been a little lazy with uploading, but I'm starting to get a little more serious with it. So we're about to do it. We're about to do it right, guys. Ready? I'm excited. Peace out and keep grinding, boys.
You make me